So during June and July, Bitcoin was printing these buy signals. So within June, a dollar cost averaging around $15,000 at an average price of $34,000, and then another $25,000 at an average price of $33,000 per Bitcoin in the month of July. That was about $40,000 invested in the month of June and July, and today I am up approximately 93%, which is close to doubling my money. Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to trade cryptocurrency as a complete beginner using one indicator called the Lux Algo. I'm going to walk you through how to set everything up step by step, and I'll also dive kind of deeper in to the indicator itself so you know how to use it. So if that sounds interesting, definitely stick around. If you are interested in signing up for the Lux Algo, I do have a referral link down below. If you do use my link, you get 20% off your entire purchase, and everything I talk about in this video, I will also link it down in the description below. Before I show how to set everything up, I do want to talk about my trading style and some general trading principles and rules that you should be aware of just in case you are beginning or learning how to trade. There are two types of trading styles. One is day trading and the other is swing trading. I personally am not a day trader. I do not do it. I don't like it. Instead, I am a swing trader or a momentum trader. For day traders, they will buy and sell within that same day, so they can hold a position for seconds, minutes, or hours, right? Swing traders or momentum traders, on the other hand, they will build up a position at a certain range, and then as the price moves up, they will sell towards their target range, right? And so that means that they will either hold a position for days, weeks, or even months. I am a swing trader, so 90% of my time is allocated to buying and 10% will be selling. If you wanted to be a day trader and trade actively, then you should not trade with more than 5% of your portfolio. So if you have $10,000, you should only trade with $500 at first. Once you get better, then you can consider increasing it to like 10%, but you should never trade with 100% of your portfolio. Even experienced traders will never do that. You only need to win 51% of your trades to be a successful trader. So don't be discouraged if you do lose in the beginning, but consider that tuition to the market. Lastly, there is no right or wrong way to trade. That's kind of really up to you and your personal goals. As you trade and become more experienced, you will develop your own strategy. And in today's video, I'm just going to share you guys my personal strategy. The first thing that you will need is a TradingView account. So you're going to go to tradingview.com, create an account. After you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on charts. And there are two settings that I always recommend. The first is to go to the top left and make sure that candles is highlighted. And the second is go to the top left corner, click on the three bars, click dark theme on. This is so much better for your eyes, and it's just easier to see the bars and the charts. Next, you're going to have to create an account. So this is either going to be on Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, Crypto.com, Pionex. It is totally up to you, whichever exchange is available in your specific country. If you want to check out everything that I use, you can go to eddymoon.com. I pretty much have a list of everything that I use. If you want to check that out, you definitely can. But I'm not going to really go over how to buy and sell cryptocurrency in this video just because I've covered that topic in other videos. So definitely check those out. I'll leave those links down below as well. The primary goal of this video is really to help you grasp the concept of when to buy, when to sell, and the general market psychology as a trader. Because this is a beginner's video, I do want to focus on the Lux Algo because it's a great indicator tool to use as a beginner to help you understand price movements, kind of when to buy, when to sell, and understand the markets. If you go to the page, you can scroll down and you can read more about them. I do really agree with this, turning confusion into clarity. There are times where I'm like, is this a good time to buy? I'm not sure if it's a good time to buy, but when the Lux Algo prints a buy signal, it generally gives me a little bit more confidence. I'm like, okay, I think I should buy right now. Now, you do have to pay for the indicator, and personally for myself, it is way worth it because it's made me a ton more money than it cost. When you are investing into yourself and your skill, you can never think about how much it's going to cost, but how much it's going to make you. You can go with the monthly option, the quarterly option, or the yearly option, but I would highly recommend the yearly option, and I'm going to explain why. First of all, you save 40% on a yearly subscription, and on top of that, if you do use my link, you get 20% off, which is around $98. We're just going to round this up to $490 minus 98 equals 392. Divide that by 356 days equals about $1.10 per day. If you cannot invest $1 a day into yourself, what makes you think that you can invest hundreds and thousands into the market and expect thousands in return, right? And so that's a question that you should ask yourself. But a person for myself, when it comes to investing into myself, I never hesitate on the dollar amount. But that's just kind of something that I wanted to share. If you want to go quarterly, sure. If you want to test it out with monthly, why not? But when it comes from a deal standpoint, you get 40% off, plus you get 20% off. It's a no-brainer for me, right? $1.10 a day. Sure. And I normally don't share these kind of things in my videos, but because this is a beginner's guide, and I'm assuming that you're new and you're curious about trading and learning and how to make money, I feel like it's my responsibility to share these things with you so that you understand where I'm coming from. Once you've purchased the Lux Algo, they're going to send you an email to link your TradingView account so they can send you the indicators. To find your username, you're going to go to the top left corner, and then it's going to be right over here. Then you're going to click on indicators, and then go to invite only scripts, and then your 3 indicators should arrive: the Lux Algo Premium, the Lux Oscillator Premium, and the Lux Statistics Premium. Lux Algo is known for this specific indicator. These 2, they're useful too, but we're going to focus on this one mainly. We're going to click on that, and then the indicator should show up. Now, when you zoom out, you're going to see a bunch of buy and sell signals. So from here on out, this is pretty much where you have to experiment and figure out what the best strategy for you is. You can double click on any of these strong or buy or sells, and this should show up. Personally, for myself, the way that I like to set it up is just click on autopilot confirmation signal settings, click OK, and then you'll see a lot less signals. Anytime a buy signal came up, that is when I would generally accumulate and buy aggressively. And anytime we get these sell signals, I actually ignore them just because I'm a momentum trader, a swing trader, and I don't plan on taking any profits until we go higher. Also, if you're interested in how I'm navigating these markets, what I buy, when I buy, what I sell, and how I'm planning to exit the market, check out the Patreon group, link down below. We have an amazing team. Once you have access to the group, you will get invited to the private Discord group where we pretty much conversate every single day, and I post content on there every single day. A few things I want to note is that your indicator will be up here, and you can click on this I button right over here to turn on and off the indicator anytime you want to. And if you're somebody who wants to learn to take profits along the way, these blue X's over here, here, and here, these are profit taking zones. So it's the Lux Algo telling you, hey, you should consider taking some profits here, over here, and if you did, you would have saved yourself a dump right over here. You could have rebought over here, and sold over here. Now, like I've mentioned, I'm a swing trader, right? So I like to accumulate positions, sell, accumulate positions, sell. But if you want to be a day trader, you can go to the top left corner, click on the time frame, and choose a 1-hour time frame. And you can do that as well, right? You could have bought over here, you could have sold over here, you could have bought over here, and you probably will still continue to hold and you can sell later on. If you want to go like minute to minute, you can go to the 15-minute chart. Of course, within the 15 minutes, there's going to be a lot more buy and sells just because you're pretty much day trading at this point. Now, if you're going to day trade, which I don't recommend in the beginning, you have to set your settings and dial them in a little bit more precisely. After you sign up for the Lux Algo, I highly recommend that you join their Discord group. On their main website, you can go to the top right corner, click on Discord, and join their group. Because once you've joined the group, on the Setting Optimizer tab, you will have a OptiBot 5M, which stands for minutes, 15-minute, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. It'll tell you the best setting to set your Lux Algo on the crypto you want to trade, the index you want to trade, the currencies you want to trade, or even the stocks you want to trade. Because we're focusing just on Bitcoin, in this video, we're going to set the sensitivity to 38, agility to 34 within the 15 minutes. So we're going to switch over to the 15 minutes, double click, turn the autopilot off because we're going to manually input them in, 38, and then agility over here, it's going to be 34. Okay. And this has showed up. So this is a more accurate indicator to trade within the 15 minutes. And this will be updated, I think it's like every week. This one has been updated yesterday. This one was updated like 2 days ago. So they get updated pretty regularly. So if you want to trade more actively, you can go to their Discord group, change your settings every single day or every other day. We're going to go ahead and uncheck all of these for now. First, we're going to go over the EQ Cloud. The EQ Cloud is really great just because anytime you're kind of like under the cloud bands, right? That is a great time to buy. Anytime you're above the clouds, you can sell, right? And so this can be considered a strategy for you. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on the reversal zones. Another strategy you can implement with the Lux Algo is anytime you touch these green cloud areas here, 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 and over here, it is a great time to load up, right? Anytime we hit these red cloud zones over here, these are all great profit-taking zones. And so this is one strategy that you can implement into your trading strategy. Again, there are a ton of ways you can trade using the Lux Algo, and that is completely up to you. But I'm just kind of sharing these settings so you are aware of them. Now, sometimes you're not sure if you should sell, right? Sometimes you're like, am I selling too early? Should I be buying more? Well, that is kind of where the trend tracer comes in. Anytime it's green, it's saying that it's in an uptrend. Anytime it is red, it is saying that it is in a downtrend. So for example, when this went from green to red, you would have saved yourself at approximately 14%. Then when you saw this green line print and you bought back in, then you would have bought back in during this trend reversal. So when you trade with the Lux Algo, you want to bring all these factors in. You don't want to just use the buy and the sell signals over here. You also want to take account of the cloud and the trend reversal zones and the trend tracer. Now I'm going to switch over to the daily. We're going to turn the Lux Algo off, and then we're going to go ahead and open up the Lux Oscillator Premium. Now, this has been a really good macro perspective indicator, just because anytime there were these red zones over here, that was a screaming buy. Like, don't even think, just buy. So during this time, I accumulated a lot over here. I also accumulated a lot over here. During January, during this time, a lot of people panicked, but that was another great buying opportunity. Even during this time, market was still overextended, but if you just bought dollar cost average in and held, you would be up in profit. On my Patreon page, when Bitcoin was hovering around $54,000, I was like, hey, right now might be a really good time to buy, alongside with Ethereum being around $3,500. And today, Bitcoin and Ethereum are sitting much higher. Now, is the Lux Algo enough for you to navigate through the markets? And I would actually say yes. But I would highly, highly recommend and encourage for you to learn the basics of technical analysis to complement the Lux Algo. The reason is technical analysis helps you have clarity in the markets, at least in the macro point of view, when you are sometimes in doubt or confused. Now, in terms of where you can learn technical analysis, you can learn it by taking a course from somebody that you admire, or you can learn it on Google or watch a bunch of videos on YouTube. I personally don't talk about it too much on my public channel, but I talk a lot about it on my Patreon page. But it's like a language. So the more you're around it, the more you will understand it. So you just want to constantly watch, listen, repeat. Even if you don't understand most of it, just keep watching, keep listening, and eventually you'll understand. The last thing I want to share is that throughout your trading journey, you will make mistakes, but the important thing is to learn from them. Also learn to take profits. People will say like, hold through dips, right? It is ridiculous to do that. Sometimes learn to take profits when you feel it's appropriate. Just understand that my goals are not your goals. For you, you might be okay with just a 5% gain. For me, it's kind of like buy, double, triple, quadruple my money, get out of the markets. And that's just because that's what I do full time, right? That's how I navigate the markets, and that's like my trading strategy. For you, it doesn't have to be that way. I know people who are just okay with constantly making 10% wins, and that's a great strategy. So make sure you strategize, have a plan. Don't use your entire capital. Make sure only 5% in the beginning and maybe 10% at max as you get better and better. And never use your entire account to trade. You'll always want to make sure that you have cash on hand so you can buy the dips. Well, with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Definitely consider checking out the Patreon group, link it down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video over. Good night, good morning, adios.